If x is jointly proportional to the cube of y, all right, and the fourth power of z, in what ratio is x increased or decreased when y is halved and z is doubled? Okay, this is a very, very simple question. Let's just put it down so that you see it. So x is jointly proportional cube of y, so y power 3, and the fourth power of z, so z power 4. Okay, normally for proportionality, we always have x equal, we replace this with an equal sign and introduce the proportionality constant. I'll have y raised to power 3, z raised to power 4, as described in the question. Now we want to know the ratio increased or decreased when y is halved and z is doubled. What we'll do is we are going to imagine x again, but this time with half of this and double of this. Let's see that. Let's say there's another x, right? And of course with the constant, but the y is halved, but still has a power 2, a power 3 up there. And then the z is doubled, so 2 times the z. And this our new z, after multiplying the z by 2, is now raised to power 4. Okay, so let's find the ratio of this first one to this second one. More like if I put a 1 here, it becomes x1, x2. So I'm doing x1 is to x2. Now let's go ahead. We'll just divide this by this and let's see how much we can cancel. So k y raised to power 3 z raised to power 4 divided by k, we have y raised to power 2 or raised to power 3. Sorry, y divided by 2 or raised to power 3. So y divided by 2 or raised to power 3. And then we'll open that bracket there. We'll say 2z raised to power 4. Okay, let's see how far we can go with simplifying that. Okay, the numerator is not changing anytime soon. Okay, we can cancel out k. We can cancel out k and there will be no need for this at all. All right, then we return to y raised to power 3 z raised to power 4 over. Okay, it's time to separate these guys. So I will take 2, 1 over 2 raised to power. This is actually 1 over 2 here because it's a denominator and it is raised to power 3. So actually by indices, this is 2 raised to power minus 1 raised to power 3. This means 2 raised to power minus 3. So I'll put that down here. 2 raised to power minus 3. Then this y raised to power 3 stands by its side. Then I'll also separate these two. It's going to stand alone as 2 raised to power 4. Then the z will stand alone as z raised to power 4. Okay, let's go for the next step. At the next step, this and this can now go. This and this can now go. So we are having 1 over, by indices, there's a common base here, 2 and 2. And it's a multiplication sign here because they are actually multiplied. So we'll add the power minus 3 plus 4. Okay, let's see how that works. So we have 1 over 2 raised to power minus 3 plus 4 is 1. So just 1. So actually 1 over 2, which is 1 is to 2. The denominator is a new situation actually when it is halves and this other one is doubled. So we say increased, it actually increased in the ratio 1 is to 2. Super easy.